Hello, I'm Ian Mackay and I'm from Sydney in Australia. I found Dr.Sunil on the internet through an agency which I think is in Paris. The process actually is very good. They don't set out to do necessarily any recommendations. It's up to you to establish who you want to go and see by doing your own research. And ultimately that's the best way of doing it. In looking at your website, I think that's got a few holes in it, but it's very hard to do direct translation from any one language into another, particularly with some of the offerings that you have. But we can move on from there. The website needs a bit of a look at. In terms of dentistry, I made remarks in the written survey, so I'll just repeat them. I'm not a judge of dentists or their profession. I'll leave that up to my dentist. And my dentist said you did a very good job. The qualification being without taking x-rays. And that's good enough for me on a personal level. Having had 2 crowns, a bridge and an implant, at no stage did I feel physically uncomfortable. I compliment the system in which there's no eye contact between the dentist and the patient. I think that's sensational. If only we would do that in Australia. It allows you as dentists to get on with what you want to do without worrying necessarily about the sort of eye contact and reactions of your patients. And in my case as a patient, I'm not responding to whatever eye contact that I have with the dentist. I think that's a great system. In terms of the personality of the dentists, and having said that, this is not a personal comment. It's a comment based on professional demeanour. And what I mean by that is every one of you are engaging. Simply, that means that you are actually interested in the patient that you're serving. That sounds as if it should be unique. Well, my experience is that it's not unique, but it would seem to be here. And it's just the little tips along the way that you give to your patients that I think ought to be commended. Your staff is sensational. They care. They're interested. They have a politeness and a humour about them which I find very refreshing, and overall it's been a sensational experience, and I know the moment I walk out the door there'll be something else that I'll probably want to say. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ian, sir.